Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Most of us likely do not know the exact build of the operating system we are running. Sometimes you may have forgotten which build you are on. Today we will discover which build of Windows we have. So let's check how we will find. For that, what you have to do, first click on Start, then you have to click on Settings, and from here you have to click on System, and then from the left side panel scroll down and click on About. That's it. From here you can find the device ID, product ID, system type 64-bit system I am using, and from the Windows specification I am using Windows 10 Pro, and this is OS build. This is my build 190.42.1466. This is my operating system build. So another way you can find, press Windows and E on keyboard, run page will open, and here you have to write WinVer and click on OK. Then you can find there is a page will open. From here also you can find the operating system build. So my build is 19042. So this is how we will find which build of operating system we have. That's it. Catching you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you, and always appreciate for subscribe my channel.